In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar to type in DevCheck. When you're ready, get this app from Floor to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. Then open it, and thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!